Many resumes don't contain the one thing that companies care about the most. What's going on, professionals? This is video 3 in my series on fixing 6 resume mistakes that can ruin your chances of getting the offer you're hoping for. If you missed the earlier videos, they are on my LinkedIn profile as well as my YouTube channel. The third mistake is focusing way too much on skills or actions and not enough on results. Your results are the proof of your expertise and one of the biggest reasons a company will choose to hire you. However, studies show that only about 26% of resumes include 5 or more measurable results, and 36% of resumes don't include any. To prove how important this is, let's look at 2 short examples. The first will be a bad example that just focuses on job actions. Then we'll look at a much better example that includes measurable results. All right, here's the bad example. Maintained company website and added new features. Worked with development team to create a new company application. None of this stands out from the millions of programmers doing similar work. It would be much better to say something like this. Increased online traffic by 14% by updating company website and adding 4 highly requested features. Developed new company application that reached 15,000 downloads in 3 months and currently has over 3,000 5-star reviews. Here are some tips to help you find the results you can add to your resume. First, for any job actions, see how you can make them measurable. Include numbers when you can. Here we included a lot of different numbers. Then ask yourself what the end result of those actions was. What impact did they have on the business? Here, we don't just say we updated the website, we say we increased online traffic 14% by updating the website. And keep in mind, a result doesn't have to be 100% because of you. If you contributed to a larger project or were part of a team that achieved a great result, you should absolutely include that as well. Also, did you earn any awards or good performance ratings? These are great for proving your skills too. Last, this is something I recommend to everyone, even if you are not applying to jobs right now. Start keeping track of all the measurable accomplishments of your work. Whenever you achieve something great or your team has a great result, write that down somewhere. Then 6 months down the road, whenever you're ready to start looking for new jobs, you'll have a list of tons of great achievements you can fill your resume with. Having this proof of all the value you've added to your company is also really effective when you're negotiating for a promotion or a higher salary. So fill your resume with measurable accomplishments. However, if the beginning of your resume doesn't stand out, the recruiter might not even read all the way through your work history. So below this video, there is a link to a free resume training where you will learn a proven 5-step process to write the perfect opening section to your resume. One that will immediately get the recruiter's attention and maximize your chances of getting a job interview. That's all for this video though. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in part 4.